Hey everybody, this is Scott at JJ's Pawn Shop, where we sell guns, ammo, and accessories. I want to show y'all today. This is a V39 milled receiver AK-47 pistol. Magpul furniture, 30 round mag, threaded barrel, all the goodies. This particular one even has the scope slide on the side of it. Real nice gun, very fun to shoot. If this is something you guys would be interested in, come take a look at it. If not, maybe we got something else that'll foot your bill. These right here, very hard to get, very tough little gun. Thank you very much, and we appreciate your support.